Hello everyone and welcome back to this lecture. So in this lecture we are going to build the tip calculator application. So this is the final version of the application. So you can see it has this nice black card effect that has this particular tip calculator heading. Then we have this particular line and we have these input types. So whenever I click on the input type, then you can see it's become active by just changing its basic color focus state. And then if we select the select, which is the options, then you can see its color is also changed. Similarly for this number of people input type and also for this mail type. If I click on this calculate, it has this nice hover effect. If I click on calculate, then you can see it shows the error message, please enter valid numbers. So this is the same element in which we are going to display the final result as well. And if the values are not properly entered, it is going to display the error message here at the result container. So if I enter here like $500, the bill amount, and if I select the service rating poor, and if I enter here 5 number of people, and if I select the breakfast, if I click on calculate, then you can see the tip amount is $25 and every person need to pay $105, which is the total amount per person. And if I select the lunch, then the tip amount will remain same, but in case of dinner, the tip amount will be changed, like it will become $30. Now if we select the service like average, and if I select here a breakfast, if I click on calculate, then it's going to actually increase the tip. In case of the lunch, it is also like $50, but in case of dinner, it is going to change, like there is a $5 more than the other two meal type. Now if I select here a good, and if I click on like change the meal type to breakfast, and if I click on calculate, then you can see now the tip amount is $75. If I select the lunch, then again the tip amount is $75 because the lunch and the breakfast shares the same logic. Now if I select the dinner, after clicking on the dinner, then we get the $80 as a tip and the amount per person is $120. Now if I select the service rating excellent, and if I select the breakfast, click on calculate, then now the tip amount become $100 and every person need to pay $120. If I select here a lunch, click on calculate, then you can say things will be same, but in case of dinner, the tip amount is actually now changes to $105. So we will learn how to add these kinds of conditions, especially in case of the meal type categories, in case of dinner. So we will build this entire application in this module. So our first step is to start with the HTML part for this particular tip calculator application.